Its main job is to actually find and track asteroids, comets, and other near-Earth objects.
Hi, Godspeed. This channel is against the Big Bang and against the current view of the astronomy. So I'm saying like a coffee science. In this video, I want to tell you that our galaxy is spherical. Our galaxy is spherical. Our galaxy is a spherical tent. The Bible says compare it with a tent, and it is surrounded by clouds of matter. Beyond our galaxy, we cannot see.
To do that, it continuously takes pictures, just like scanning the inside of a globe, to complete one all-sky image every 6 months. By combining 18 all-sky images taken over more than a decade, the mission is opening up a deeper understanding of the universe.
So I wanted to tell you that Almagest Ptolemy knew this. He lived in 100 and 175 after Christ, and he wrote that the earth is round, that the heaven moves spherical. From Ptolemy Almagest English, he lived in 175 after Christ. 3. The heavens move like a sphere. 4. That the earth too, taken as a whole, is sensibly spherical. So I read a book from a Greek saint that he treated the creation in the Bible. Hexameron is his name. Hexameron, the hexa days of creation. This is what it means. So this Greek saint said that our galaxy is spherical, the same. In 300, that we know the better the movement of planets. But I'm telling you that Copernicus did not make the spiral, and it is not a spiral. And from Jet Propulsion Laboratory, this is the video from the YouTube site.
To do that, it continuously takes pictures, just like scanning the inside of a globe, to complete one all-sky image every 6 months. By combining 18 all-sky images taken over more than a decade, the mission is opening up a deeper understanding of the universe.
So they film it like this. Even in Almagest, in old times astronomy, you have a sphere and you put in degrees, like seconds and arc seconds and minutes and like this, and like this it is filmed. In this way it is filmed, and then they make us all stupid. Our galaxy, it is surrounded by matter. You can see clouds in all the pictures. You can see clouds. And what is black, it is not dark matter, it is matter that does not produce light. All the minerals do not produce light. So our galaxy is a sphere. A perfect sphere. When they go in space, they even put north and south on the pictures, because they take the north of our galaxy on the polar star, and they even know the directions where they are, and then they are lying the stupids that it is our galaxy is a sphere. And it always was a perfect sphere. But this is more surprisingly that we cannot see the universe. 3 mistakes you are making. 3 mistakes you are making. You are fooled. You are fooled. Maybe it's not your fault, but I'm telling you, 3 mistakes you made. That we see the universe, we cannot see the universe. Our galaxy is a sphere surrounded by matters, and what you call galaxies are cumulus of metallic objects, exactly like this, and a small object inside our galaxy. The second mistake is that you believe that after Pluto is void, it's only void inside this sphere. Our solar system is the void that contains millions of asteroids and 270 planets and satellites and many more we do not discover. And Jupiter system has 100 and over 100,000 of satellites in L orbit. But this is the second mistake. You believe that after Pluto there's void. There's void only in our solar system. After Pluto there's full of matter. And there is a electromagnetic field produced and it circulates. And our galaxy is spherical.
Its main job is to actually find and track asteroids, comets, and other near-Earth objects. To do that, it continuously takes pictures, just like scanning the inside of a globe, to complete one all-sky image every 6 months. By combining 18 all-sky images taken over more than a decade, the mission is opening up a deeper understanding of the universe.
And there are clouds surrounding it, and that you call galaxies to be tricked are only, like in a sense, stars. And we cannot see the universe. This is what you are tricked. You always say that you see the universe. The stars are not like our sun. And our galaxy has only one day with the speed of light. Believe me or not, only one day. After the last star that exists, there are still a day with the speed of light, full of matter. And it is everything that we can see. Everything that we can see. We cannot see the universe. You believe me or not, the next generation will laugh at you. That you believed some tricks. I always tell you, look, the web is only a mirror, and in a mirror the image diminishes with the square of the distance, and you will disappear in a point. And you cannot see from a telescope low only one day with the speed of light. A telescope is a sphere cut in half to make a lens. And when you put two lenses with two different diameters, you cannot see over this. Only that you are stupid and tricked. And I want to put this, that to be the Bible names heaven, and you name it galaxies, and maybe there are other heaven after ours, but you cannot see that galaxies are not heavens in the sense, are only stars put in clouds. Believe me or not, I'm telling you the truth. And 90% of the stars are fixed. Like in this square, they are stable. 90% of them are stable. I'm telling you, and I'm telling you the truth. Our galaxy is a sphere. Our galaxy is a sphere. And the Bible names it heaven, and the correct name is heaven, because that galaxies are not heavens, are only stars, cumulus of stars, and they are not floating, suspending in air, they are put in matter. That galaxy, they are put in clouds of matter, and they are only revealing a near vicinity, the clouds. They do not have power to relieve the clouds extend beyond the galaxy, the cloud of matter, Mendeleev matter. Mendeleev matter, mainly hydrogen and oxygen. And they do not have power to reveal only the matter that they are put in. The light absorbs like an ocean, absorbs light. That's why you do not see it. So our galaxy is spherical, not spiral. And this is the way you are filming it. And then you are lying that it is, and has only one day with the speed of light. The stars are not like our sun.
To do that, it continuously takes pictures, just like scanning the inside of a globe, to complete one all-sky image every 6 months. By combining 18 all-sky images taken over more than a decade, the mission is opening up a deeper understanding of the universe.
Goodbye, God bless. Science at the Coffee Science. I will put this. That I want to tell you that I've told you this. And then I want to laugh on this earth that they lie, that they know a science that do not exist. And this will prove that you, without knowing real science, you fought against something that the Bible said, that our galaxy is made in water. It's a void produced in the sphere of water, and inside remain the planets after the void was created inside. And he says one day God made all the stars in one day. This is what it means. Had one day. Our galaxy has one day the speed of light. And the Bible said this, and you lied with incoherent science, and you oppose made an antinomy, like between science and religion, and this antinomy is false, and the science is false, and the Bible said correct these things, and someday this will be found. There could be many years, but they will produce many telescopes, and finally you will see that our galaxy is spherical, has only one day, and is surrounded by matter. There will be sensors, and they will discover that it is surrounded by hydrogen and oxygen, that the Bible says. And then you will be laughed at, not I. So goodbye, God bless, Coffee Science.